Thank you, Clifford Doby. Meanwhile, the search for Kenya's next Chief Justice entered its fifth day today, with Senior Counsel Philip Kipchirchir Murgor facing the panel. Murgor made headlines after representing the late retired President Daniel Moi in the Golden Bag scandal, and later in 2003 appointed as the Director of Public Prosecutions. Today, before the commissioners, the Senior Counsel and Acting Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu clashed over the Chief Justice position after Murgor said there was a vacuum in the office of the Chief Justice since the departure of David Maraga in January. Caroline Summer tells us more.
Responding to Acting Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu on the challenges of presiding judges in the judiciary, Senior Counsel Philip Murgor, who has over 34 years of the experience in the field of law, says there is vacuum in the office of the Chief Justice since the departure of the retired Chief Justice David Maraga in January.
I think the law is quite clear, the Constitution is quite clear. The Acting Chief Justice shall do as much as they can while awaiting the appointment of a substantive Chief Justice. So the limitations are found in the word acting. Acting. When I say acting, it means exactly what it is. So what I'm trying to say is, and it is meant with no disrespect to you in your performance, I am talking about what I know to be the outlook of any public servant when dealing with an officer who is holding office in an acting capacity.
And as they say, history will judge you harshly. Commissioner Njagi bombarded the Senior Counsel with his past history of cases he had prosecuted, and Murgor appeared not to clearly remember any of them, wanting the commissioner to go ahead with questioning and not bringing up his past.
As you have ably said, the history of a man or a woman, the experiences are what mold you, isn't it?
Yeah, possibly.
Possibly.
Yes, I'm waiting for the question.
No. I want us to lay the factual basis because
it's a long time. I wish I had
yes,
noticed.
It's a long time. And they laid evidence that they were being tortured, and you resisted that application, of course, as the prosecutor. And the confession was admitted. Am I correct?
Possibly. Just make your question, please.
No. I am putting to you
facts. You know, you are saying things, and some of which I don't recall, some of which may not be true.
On the other hand, Commissioner Mohammed Wasame during the interview caused a stir on the internet after referring to Murgor as a criminal lawyer, after which he apologized after being corrected by the Senior Counsel.
You are a criminal lawyer, of course, being the DPP.
I practice criminal law.
Yes.
I'm not a criminal lawyer.
Yes. Thank you for the correction.
In October 2019, Murgor represented Sarah Wairimu Kamodho, who was charged with the murder of her Dutch billionaire husband Tob Cohen. Murgor is among the 10 candidates who were shortlisted by the Judicial Service Commission in the search for the next head of the judiciary, following the retirement of the former Chief Justice David Maraga early this year. Caroline Suma, Switch TV.
Thank you, Caroline Suma.